What's going on, guys? Roy Robles here from Zigwheels.ph, and today we are in the Powerplant Mall here in Makati for Future Now. It's an event held by PGA Cars in the Philippines. If you don't know by now, PGA Cars is the leading company towards electrification for cars with the Porsche Taycan, the Audi e-tron series. Let's go ahead and see what's what. You might not know. We might drive home with one. I hope so. PGA Cars is showcasing its range of fully electric models in a series of weekend exhibitions that present green transport solutions to consumers who define sustainability as the new luxury. This is part of its Future Now program, which is leading Philippine automotive sector's transition to premium electric-powered mobility. The Porsche Taycan, Audi e-tron SUV, and Audi e-tron GT are all zero-emission, completely electric versions with substantially more advanced features than hybrid vehicle stopgap systems will be featured in the show. With these vehicles, PGA Cars, the Philippine partner for Porsche and Audi, declares that premium electromobility is no longer just a concept. Rather, it's already a reality.
My name is Christopher Chan. I'm the Managing Director for Audi Philippines. So we have the Audi e-tron 55 SUV and the Audi e-tron GT. So the SUV is, of course, tailor-fit for people who are driving SUVs and those who want to shift to electromobility. It's a basic Audi. It's what you would expect and what you would demand of any premium mobility vehicle. Comfort, power, and finesse are all there. Well, for the GT, the e-tron GT is more angled towards a sportier market. So it's quattro all-wheel drive, and you get the power delivery that you would expect from a very sporty Audi. The sure-footedness from quattro that can drive in any weather.
Hi, my name is William Angsi. I'm the Managing Director of Porsche Philippines. Porsche Taycan is our fully electric vehicle that we launched in the Philippines in 2020. And so now we are here in Rockwell to showcase it. I think for the transition from combustion engine to EV, there's no backlash per se, but it's more of the difficulty in accepting it as fast as we hope them to. So, but in general, I would say until you experience the fully electric car of Porsche, which is the Taycan, then you would realize how uncompromising it is in terms of performance, in terms of drivability, and overall feel of how a Porsche should be. So you would see how big of an investment Porsche put into it in terms of money and time to make sure that us Porsche fans and owners would be impressed, equally impressed, not just with the current models that we have like the 911, but also for the Taycan.
Right, so I'd like to invite everyone to drop by the Rockwell Powerplant Mall.
So guys, I would like to invite all of you here at the Powerplant Mall.
From May 27 to 29 and from June 3 to June 5 to see the Audi e-tron GT and the Audi e-tron 55 SUV.
We have a display for the Porsche Taycan and the Audi e-tron, our fully electric vehicles as part of PGA Cars Future Now program from today, May 27 to 29. And we also have another one next weekend, which is June 3 to 5. See you here.